Coming into here, I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. And, manufacturing has been great. It's helped me support my family and take us into different places in my personal life.
I was always been very shy, and I guess because not knowing much of the language kind of like make me feel like not able to do certain things. But I started learning, and I'm like, I can do this. But then I had a lot of support here.
Manufacturing is for everyone. Everywhere you look, there's some kind of manufacturing. TASUS builds plastic parts for automobiles, internal parts, visors, speaker housings.
You're looking in your vanity mirror and you flip that little thing down, we probably molded it.
So I've been with TASUS for just over 15 years. I've been overall in injection molding manufacturing for 30 years. In manufacturing, there is no set pathway. You can choose whatever road that fits you the best. We've had guys in the back that started off as operators and went into automation and designed equipment out on the floor that we're still using out on the floor.
Well, I started off here at TASUS as an operator. I caught the parts coming out of the mold and, packaged them. Then I seen some people, they were the ones programming the machines to make the parts. Got linked up with some of the best people in that field. Seen some guys working in the tool shop, building the tools, repairing the tools, metal working. Had an interest in that. Now that's where my current position is. I'm a tooling technician.
I've been here at TASUS for 16 years now, and I started as an operator. I went up to cell coordinator, and I was a cell coordinator a little bit over 10 years, and now I'm moving to supervisor. For me, when first started, I was like, okay, this is something different, something better. But at the same time, when I got to learn more, I was like, hey, there's opportunities here. There's people here that is amazing, They support you, and if they see that you wanted to do it, want to learn and move up, they are more than willing to help you. So encourage me more to do more for myself and show them that the sky is the limit when you want to do something.
Manufacturing is good for people who aren't so good with books or school or whatever it is. I'm like that. I'm that guy. I'm not book smart, but I'm very good with my hands. I'm very good at learning, especially on the job. That's where I excel. That's what I took advantage of.
Career in manufacturing has given me an excellent life outside of work.
I get to go to my kids' baseball games, football games, knowing what time I come in, knowing what time I get off, having that work balance has really helped out a lot.
Working here, it really gives me like a stable job and have the opportunity to do other things, spend time with my family, and have the vacation when I want to, and be able to go to places. That's awesome.
Manufacturing is definitely a career. You never get stagnant. You're always learning. You're constantly being challenged. And to me, that's the best place to work. Some place that challenges you every day.